Chatbot GPT, Expert Review Technology Map is the tool. Help you create review content and advertising technology products by AI quickly. Just provide high-C photo and product photo. Chatbot will help create professional review content, synchronize characters, product accessories, context, and dialogue. Today I will show you how to use it. This is the first boot that people have access to. Prompt auto.io.com. Then find the boot latch called Boot Latch. GPT Technology Map Review Expert. Take the Chatbot link and open a new tab. When you enter the Chatbot interface, you click Start. At this time, the Chatbot will introduce functions and requirements. You provide a photo KOC template review, a desired background technology product photo if available. You can choose one of these scenarios. Modern technology workbench, gaming setup corner, in minimalist product review studio. Without choosing the background, Chatbot will automatically choose the context that best fits the product. After downloading enough photos, product, photo, and background selection, you click Submit. Next SAO, copy the whole self-photo prompt part. I then open the image creation tool into BA. Here you upload a photo high-C made, the first reference photo, a product, as the second reference photo. Then paste the create prompt into. Choose the right photo ratio, Jinmuisao scale, if want to use directly, for vertical video. Then click create image. If he's not right, let's create again until there is a satisfactory image. Next, back Chatbot, and SAO copy, in turn the prom video, a video high, BA video, born video, year video. Put each prom into val BA to create each scene. With every video, you keep using the same high image. C. Hold the product as reference photo. If a video is wrong, you can create your own video without redoing the whole sequence. After completing the entire video, you download each paragraph to the machine. Put the entire video into CapCut. Match the scenes in the correct order from the video. 1 to 5 videos. You can continue to edit. Remove the residue, volume calibration, add background music, add scene effects. After the editing is done, export video at a vertical scale of Jinmuisao to post on TikTok. TikTok. Shop in a few simple steps. You can create a video. Complete technology review without real filming. No need to hire a KOC, and no need to prepare a production team. If you are in the phone business, accessories, electronic devices, or making technology affiliate content,